Hey YouTube, this is Dave, and in today's video I'm going to show you some features in Windows 8 that I think are cool and how you can get them in Windows 7. These are going to be two features that one that you can get built in and one that you can download software to get it working on Windows 7. Okay, so the first feature is something that may or may not be a feature to you, and that is in Windows 8 it does not bring up the confirmation prompt when you delete an item. So let's say I want to delete this file right here. This is stuff. If I just click on it and hit delete, it automatically goes to the recycle bin. If I open up the recycle bin and take a look, there it is. I can just click on something, delete it, and it goes boom right into the recycle bin. So this can be good. It's easy. It's just hit delete and you're moving. Some people may not like it because worried about accidentally deleting something, but I figure, hey, I can get it from the recycle bin. All right, so let's go ahead and see about how we can get this on your Windows 7 computer. So I'm running a virtual machine, obviously because I have Windows 8. I'm just going to go ahead and load that up, and okay. So I'm on my Windows 7 virtual image, as you can see. All right, so it's actually very easy to disable the confirmation prompt in Windows 7. All you have to do is go up to your recycle bin, right-click on it, and then go to Properties. And then in Properties, you just uncheck this box right here, this Display Delete Confirmation dialog. If you uncheck that and hit Apply, and then OK, and then if you go to delete something, boom, no more confirmation dialog. It's very easy, and that's just one way to delete files faster with Windows 7 than having to hit OK every time. If you don't have your recycle bin, then just go down to Start, and in the little search box, type in icons, and then the second option is Show or Hide Common Icons on your desktop. That'll open up this box, and then if you just check the recycle bin, it'll be right on your desktop, and you can go back to Properties and uncheck this. All right, so that's it for the first tip. We're going to go ahead and move on to the second one. Okay, now for the second feature in Windows 8 that I'm going to talk about in this video, that is the file copying utility. All right, so let's say I want to copy this folder into the destination. All right, so before it finishes, let me just go ahead and show you. This is the new file copying utility. Obviously, if you get more details, this is what you get. There's a couple things that you can notice right away. The first is you can pause it. So let's say it's taking a while, it's slowing down your computer. Oh, I want to pause it. And there you go. You can just pause it. You can also cancel the operation. Another big thing is this pretty neat graph that it shows of how fast it's copying the files over from one location to the other. It also gives you detailed information about what it's copying. It has the name, time remaining, and the items remaining. So as you can see, this is a really big improvement in the file copying utility from Windows 7, which is probably pretty crappy, but it's the best Windows that's come up so far, and now Windows 8 is just 100 times better. All right, so this is it on Windows 8, and now we'll go ahead and take a look at how you can get this on Windows 7. Okay, so now that I'm back on Windows 7, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can get a much better file copying utility than the Windows 7 one. Unfortunately, you have to download software to get this, but it's easy and it's going to make things a lot better. All right, so the software is called Terracopy. So if you open up your web browser and just type in Terracopy, you can choose the first link, and then the website address is codesector.com/terracopy. There'll be a link below if you want to just go to that. And then we just go to download. And then as you see, they have a bunch of different software products, but we want Terracopy. And then you want to choose your region, USA or Europe, the download. Okay, so once you click download, it'll start downloading software. It's 2.5 megabytes, so it shouldn't take very long. All right, and then once we have it downloaded, all right, so we're going to install it. So we can hit run. Then we'll should get the prompt. So we want to hit yes. And we'll start the installation wizard. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hit next. We're going to accept the agreement. Next. Next again. You can choose to leave the destination location default or change it if you need to, but I'm going to just hit next. I suggest just leaving it the normal version, and then if you want, you can create a desktop icon. And then I'd leave these associations alone, just leave those checked. Hit next. And then it's installing the software. It's pretty quick. And finish. Okay, now that we have Terracopy installed, let's go ahead and give it a try and see what it does. Alright, so I want to copy this folder to my C drive. See what happens. So the first time you run Terracopy, you may get this warning, just to say that it's running, and once you hit yes, it should go away. Okay, so now this is Terracopy. So this may look a little complicated, but it actually offers a bunch of different features. As you can see, it shows the percentage and the speed that it's copying. It shows the file and the location, and it has a percentage of the file and total percentage. It has an estimated time, and it has some options. So I'm going to pause it. I can, pause it, and it will pause copying. If there's a file that's stuck or you just want to skip it, you don't care, you can hit skip, and it will skip the file it's currently copying and move on. There's some buttons up here that will do this. One will let you shut down your computer when the transfer is complete. This will eject the drive when the transfer is complete. This will run a test to verify the files when the transfer is complete. And this one is selected, which will close the window when transfer is complete. All right, so this is a lot of information, but you can get even more if you want. So if we go down here and take a look, it shows the files, information on the file that it's copying. It does a size, the status, so I'm going to resume it, and a source CRC, and if we have this option checked to verify, it'll test it once it's done copying with the target CRC to verify that it was not corrupted when it was copying. So this software gives you a lot more features and has a lot better, more functionality when it comes to copying files or cutting files in Windows 7. This should replace your normal Windows file copy. So you should, whenever you copy something, you'll just be able to use Terracopy, and it'll just work and give you all these additional features to make it easier on you. All right, so as you see, it's completed. And one thing that you can do is, if you want to, after you've copied, you can hit delete source files. You can send it to the recycle bin or delete it from disk. And as you see, it has deleted the source files. It's kind of like a cutting, but it just offers you a lot of different features in a free software package, and it will definitely, I think it makes it better on Windows 7. All right, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you two quick features of Windows 8 and how to get them on Windows 7. If I find some more features that I think you guys would like, I'm definitely going to make some more videos. And If you like this video, if you can hit like and subscribe, check out some of my other videos. And if you want more content from me, I have a blog, and I'll have a link to that in the description. Thanks a lot, and have a good one.